Now, I love gray cabinets just as much as the next gal, but it can get kind of cold. So today I'm going to show you how to warm up your kitchen by installing a split brick backsplash. Before I get to attaching the bricks, I want to figure out my layout to see where I'm going to have to make some cuts. And I'm hoping that if I shift these just the right way, I won't have to make any rip cuts along the bricks. That is a lot harder to do than the cross cuts.
Make sure to add in the width of your tile spacers too. I'll be using 1/4 inch spacers for a thicker grout line. Create a stopping point at the edge of your countertop by using a level to draw a straight line.
Now, traditionally you would install a backsplash with thin set, but today I'm going to use a construction adhesive that is specifically designed for vertical applications, so I don't have to hold the bricks up while it dries, and it dries super fast so I can move on to the next step. All right, here goes nothing.
I've been wanting to use this stuff from Titebond for a while. It comes out thick, so it's not going to run down the wall. Twist the brick a little as you apply it to the wall to help the adhesive grab hold. Because the bricks are uneven, I'm using 2 spacers sideways to get the same width as 1 spacer. Hold your spacers in place to measure the last brick at the end of the row.
Now, I've used a wet saw to cut through tile before, so today I thought I would try something different and use an angle grinder, especially since the bricks are so small. But what's important about what I have here is that I installed a diamond tip blade. So whether you're using a circular saw or an angle grinder like this, make sure you have the right blade for the job.
Cuts around electrical boxes don't have to be exact or really that pretty, since the outlet plate will cover it at the end.
There was no way I could avoid doing cuts along the length of the bricks, but it worked out that I'm able to cut it in half and use both halves for the top row of my split bricks. Since bricks are so porous, you have to seal them before you apply the grout, otherwise you'll never be able to get the grout off the face of the bricks. So I have a spray sealer that I'm going to use, spray it on, wipe off the excess, and then I'll be ready for grout.
How does that saying go? It's going to look worse before it looks better? Spread the grout over a small area using a grout float. Then, holding the float at a 45-degree angle, push the grout into all of the cracks between the bricks. I'm using a pre-mixed grout that comes in a pail since this is a small job. Using a wet sponge, wipe the grout off the face of the bricks until you get the look you want. Follow that up with a microfiber cloth. Since the bricks are already sealed, you don't have to worry about grease and food staining your new cozy backsplash. Thanks for checking in! I've got so many projects to share with you, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next episode.